Users be warned. The Lightcycle run makes sharp turns with sudden drops and stops. Users, prepare to be digitized into the world of Tron.
Please be considerate of other users and only use locker space that your party requires. Remember your unit number.
Here we are, mates. Are you ready?
Oh, I'm ready for this one. It looks good.
Ready to ride Tron. Here we go.
Remember, hold on.
Looks very good, this coaster does.
And face forward.
It's a launch coaster. You ready, mate?
I'm ready for this one.
Here we go.
Initiate in 3, 2, 1.
Here we go.
Congratulations, users. A championship performance and victory for Team Blue.